Business and technology. Diaspora capital meets Silicon Valley. A major convergence of African innovation and global investment is just weeks away. The African Diaspora Network has confirmed final preparations for the 2026 African Diaspora Investment Symposium, scheduled for March 25th through the 27th in Santa Clara, California. Organizers say this year's focus is clear: artificial intelligence, fintech expansion, healthcare innovation, and scaling African startups through diaspora-backed venture funding. Analysts note that Africa's startup ecosystem continues to mature despite global venture slowdowns, with diaspora investors playing an increasingly strategic role in early-stage funding and cross-border partnerships. Industry observers say the symposium could define how Black and African innovators integrate more directly into global AI supply chains. Global markets and AI. AI dominance and its diaspora impact. NVIDIA's latest numbers are reinforcing one reality: AI remains the center of global economic momentum. US-based semiconductor giant NVIDIA continues to report strong demand tied to artificial intelligence infrastructure. For African developers and diaspora tech founders, the ripple effects are significant. Increased AI hardware demand globally means growing opportunity for software engineering talent, machine learning research, and cloud-based services across Africa and the Caribbean. Technology policy experts say diaspora-led innovation hubs in Lagos, Nairobi, Accra, and Atlanta are positioning themselves to benefit from the expanding AI ecosystem. Sports. Road to Morocco. Women's football rising. African women's football is gaining unprecedented global visibility. Preparations are intensifying for the 2026 Women's Africa Cup of Nations, set to take place in Morocco later this year. The tournament is expected to draw record global viewership and expanded sponsorship investment. Meanwhile, the Nigeria women's national football team, widely known as the Super Falcons, continue training and international preparations as one of the continent's most decorated squads. Sports economists say women's football across Africa is entering a commercial growth phase, fueled by diaspora audiences and streaming platforms increasing global access. Diaspora impact. Cultural and economic influence expands. Beyond business and sport, diaspora influence continues shaping global narratives. From venture capital to creative industries, Black and African communities worldwide are strengthening transnational ties, leveraging technology, media, and cultural capital to redefine representation and ownership. Policy researchers say 2026 could mark a pivotal year for coordinated diaspora economic strategy. Headlines recap. Tonight's top stories. Diaspora investors prepare to converge in Silicon Valley for one of the year's most important Africa-focused tech gatherings. NVIDIA's AI-driven expansion continues influencing global innovation markets. And anticipation builds for the 2026 Women's Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco as African women's football rises on the world stage. That's your Diaspora Television Network Evening Report. I'm Bucci. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments below on your thoughts on tonight's stories. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay connected, stay global.